In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ASB Bank login not working. If you're trying to log into your ASB mobile banking application but you are not being able to do so, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try following. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. One of the main reasons why you are not being able to log into your ASB mobile banking account might be because you are not entering the correct credential for your online banking account. Always make sure to enter the correct username and password associated with your account and you'll be able to log into your account right away. If you're still not being able to do so, the next thing to do is to check for available update for the application. Tap Open App Store and in the search box type in ASB app and search. If you see an update button right under or right next to the application, then simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of ASB mobile banking app. Once you update the app, go back to the application and log into your account again. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to check for the latest software update for your mobile device. On your iPhone, tap Open Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap the software update button and check for available updates for your iPhone. If there is, simply download and install the software, and once you are done with the software update process, go back to the app and try logging in again. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your ASB Bank online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.